Welcome back to UK Autocar. Today we are taking a close look at the 2026 Aprilia Tuono 125, a lightweight street motorcycle that brings aggressive styling and sporty performance to the entry-level segment. For 2026, Aprilia has refined the Tuono 125 with modern updates that make it even more attractive for new riders and those looking for a stylish, efficient daily bike. The exterior design of the 2026 Aprilia Tuono 125 looks sharper and more premium than ever. The front end features a redesigned LED headlight with a more aggressive shape, giving the bike a big bike appearance. Updated LED daytime running lights add a modern touch and improve visibility. The body panels have been subtly reshaped to improve aerodynamics while keeping the muscular naked bike stance that defines the Tuono family. The fuel tank design offers better knee grip and a sportier profile, while the compact tail section looks cleaner and more refined. New color options and refreshed graphics give the 2026 model a fresh presence on the road, making it stand out in the 125cc class. Performance on the 2026 Tuono 125 is tuned for everyday fun and efficiency. It is powered by a 125cc single-cylinder engine that produces around 15 horsepower, which is the maximum allowed in many regions for this class. The engine delivers smooth and predictable power, making it easy to ride in city traffic while still offering enough punch for open roads. Throttle response feels refined, and the lightweight chassis makes the bike feel agile and easy to handle, especially for beginners and younger riders. The maximum speed of the 2026 Aprilia Tuono 125 is estimated to be around 115 to 120 km per hour. While it is not designed for high-speed touring, it offers more than enough performance for urban commuting and short highway stretches. The bike remains stable at higher speeds, supported by a well-balanced frame and responsive suspension setup that provides confidence during cornering and braking. Fuel efficiency is one of the strongest advantages of the Tuono 125. The 2026 model delivers an excellent average fuel consumption of approximately 40 to 45 km per litre, depending on riding style and road conditions. This makes it an extremely economical motorcycle to own and operate, ideal for daily commuting and students or new riders looking to keep running costs low. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Aprilia Tuono 125 is expected to start at around $4,500 to $4,900 depending on the market. This positions it competitively within the premium 125cc segment, offering Italian styling, modern features, and strong build quality for the price. The 2026 Aprilia Tuono 125 model lineup is expected to include the standard version with potential special editions featuring unique color schemes or cosmetic upgrades. Overall, the 2026 Aprilia Tuono 125 delivers sporty design, user-friendly performance, and impressive fuel efficiency in a lightweight package. It is an excellent choice for beginners and urban riders who want a premium-looking motorcycle without the cost and complexity of larger bikes.